Hydraulic rods. Why are they so powerful? Hydraulic rods are widely used in our daily lives, from storage beds and adjustable office chairs to large machinery like excavators, cranes, and forklifts. Hydraulic technology is indispensable. With hydraulic rods, many tasks that would otherwise require significant effort become remarkably easy. For instance, no matter how hard the soil or rock, an excavator can effortlessly dig through it using hydraulic technology. But this raises the question, why are these small hydraulic rods so powerful? To explain the principle behind hydraulic rods, we must first mention a person, the French mathematician and physicist Blaise Pascal. In 1653, Pascal proposed a law known as Pascal's law, or the principle of transmission of fluid pressure. This principle states that pressure applied to any point in a confined fluid is transmitted undiminished throughout the fluid. Simply put, if the fluid is in a state of rest and pressure is applied to any part of it, the pressure change will be evenly distributed throughout the fluid. With this law, Pascal invented the syringe. The syringes we use today for injections were invented by this physicist. Essentially, a hydraulic rod is like a syringe, and to easily push this syringe, we only need another small syringe. Suppose we have a large syringe with a diameter of 4 centimeters and a small syringe with a diameter of 1 centimeter. If we connect the two syringes with a tube and fill them with liquid, who would win in a pushing contest? Of course, it would be the person pushing the small syringe. Why? Because the pressure in a fluid equals the applied force divided by the area over which the force is applied. Thus, with the same applied force, the smaller the area, the greater the pressure. Now you understand. We can think of a hydraulic rod as a mechanical system composed of two pistons of different diameters. A small piston can easily apply immense force to a large piston. Understanding this principle, we only need a small syringe to counter a powerful hydraulic arm. The most common large machinery using hydraulic technology is the excavator. Let's assume the hydraulic arm on an excavator has a diameter of 10 centimeters, giving it a force area of 78.5 square centimeters. The digging force of a typical excavator's arm is about 10,000 kilos. An adult can easily push 10 kilos, meaning the excavator's force is 10 times that of human strength. So to achieve the same force as an excavator, we would need a small syringe with a force area 1% of the excavator's hydraulic arm, or about 0.785 square centimeters, which corresponds to a diameter of about 1 centimeter. Therefore, a small syringe with a diameter of 1 centimeter could theoretically match the force of an excavator. Of course, this is just theoretical. In practice, the strength of the syringe might not be sufficient, potentially causing it to explode when subjected to such pressure. Hydraulic rod explosions occur for the same reason. The instantaneous pressure exceeds the hydraulic rod's internal capacity.